What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got another single cab all the way from Denver, Colorado. Came here to Rob's Customs, get a sunroof install. Prepping the sunroof. There's the sunroof. Got the headliner out. Also, I sold him a OEM crew cab slider window here. He's gonna have installed. That's gonna look good on this truck here. But this is where we're at now. We're gonna cut the roof part off, start getting everything installed. Should be an easy install on this truck, all the way from Denver, Colorado. Nice truck. Just need some rims. Alright guys, check it out. Looks good. Real good.